Hello. So your machine will be ready in like 3 to 4 days from now, and the working size of this machine is 3.2 meters width and 6 meters length, and the machine size, the land size, is about
6.95就可以。
So the machine land size, the length is about 6.9 meters. So wait a second, we will measure the width. So here is our factory. As you can see, we have a lot of frames as in stock. So we have a lot of orders now. So the machine width is about 3.7 meters.
实际工作面积是3.2。
Yeah, the actual working size of this machine is 3.2 meters.